Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Corsair Harpoon RGB Wireless mouse. A couple of weeks ago I was complaining about prices of gaming accessories such as gaming keyboards and mice, and I was searching on the internet and I found this mouse, the Corsair Harpoon Wireless RGB mouse. And this mouse is exactly what I'm looking for, an affordable wireless RGB mouse that costs below $50. This mouse is really lightweight and weighs in at only 99 grams and comes with a 10,000 dpi optical sensor as well as 6 programmable buttons with dynamic RGB lighting using the software you can control from Corsair. I really like the RGB lighting as well as the wireless connectivity. So let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Corsair Harpoon RGB Wireless mouse. Let's take a look inside the box. Okay, first off we have the USB charging cable. And let's see what else inside. Okay, we have the mouse, and here we go, Harpoon RGB Wireless safety and compliance information. We also have a warranty guide and Harpoon RGB Wireless Stripstream Wireless Gaming Mouse. Okay. Let's take a look at the mouse in more detail. Alright, here we go. And it's got the 6 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's got this nice rubber grip on either side, which you can have a nice comfortable feel and control. Underneath we have 4 glides, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. And here this little compartment hides away the 2.4 gigahertz wireless USB dongle, which you can plug into the PC or laptop. Okay, that sits in there quite nicely. And here we have the toggle between the Bluetooth and the 2.4 gigahertz wireless. At the top here we have the micro USB port, and you can use the cable then to connect that up. And there you go. And it doubles as a wired mouse or as a charging cable. Unfortunately though, this cable, it's only suitable for this mouse, and I've tried using other USB cable, the micro USB cable, and it doesn't actually fit, so you need this cable to connect that up. Okay, alright, here we have the Corsair logo with RGB, and you can control the RGB using the Corsair iCue software. And this button here I quite like, and it toggles the mouse pointer speeds, which is quite nice. The mouse weighs about 99 grams, so it's quite lightweight. It's got 10,000 dpi and slipstream technology, and of course dynamic RGB, which you can control using the iCue software from Corsair. Alright, so that's a quick unboxing of the Corsair Harpoon RGB Wireless Gaming Mouse. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Corsair Harpoon RGB Wireless Gaming Mouse, offering a 10,000 dpi optical sensor, a lightweight at only 99 grams, and RGB lighting using the Corsair iCue software. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below.
Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.